You bring out the nerdy old man in me, the Captain Picard in me, the make it so in me, the Captain Kirk in me, the beam me up Scotty in me, the live long and prosper in me, the Klingon language learner in me, the Darth Vader in me, the Luke, I am your father in me, the Han shot first in me, the May the Force be with you in me, the E.T. phone home in me. You bring out the watching X-Files with no lights on in me, the I hope the smoking man's in this one in me, the Fox Mulder in me. You bring out the Eric Von Daniken in me, the Giorgio Tsoukalos and his hair in me, the ancient aliens in me, the Leonard Nimoy hosts In Search of in me. You bring out the stargazer in me, the Bill Nye the science guy in me, the Neil deGrasse Tyson in me. You bring out the Gary Gygax in me, the Dungeon Master in me, the Roll for Initiative in me. You bring out the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in me, the Expecto Patronum in me, the Danger Will Robinson Danger in me, the Cheese Puffs and Mountain Dew in a 16-ounce glass bottle on a Saturday night with my friends playing D&D all night long in me. You bring out the pocket watch in a vest pocket in me, the wibbly-wobbly timey-wimey stuff and the answer is 42 in me, the cosplaying LARPer in me. I'm sitting in the evil chair I've dubbed Damien, lost in the pages of another universe, and you tell me you love me, and I answer, I know, and we're both okay with that.